Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have admin access and a reliable backup on an external drive or cloud. Once done, immediately empty the recycle bin and clear the Downloads folder to reclaim quick space. Next, remove seldom-used applications. You can reclaim gigabytes fast. Then run the system disk cleanup or storage settings and target temporary files, system cache, and thumbnails. Make sure to review what will be deleted before confirming. This gets the biggest, safest wins right away and prepares you for deeper steps. You now analyze what's left. Run a disk analyzer to find the largest folders and duplicate files. Once you identify big media, move it to an external drive or cloud. Compress archives if you must keep them locally. Make sure to check user and hidden folders, since installers and VMs hide valuable space. Then clear old system restore points and browser caches. These can quietly consume tens of gigabytes. Finally, review specific app caches and clear them selectively so you free space without breaking settings. You finish by optimizing the SSD. Enable trim and run the built-in optimize command to consolidate free space. Do not defragment an SSD. If you need more room, consider reducing or relocating the page file and disabling hibernation, but only after you understand the trade-offs, and reboot when prompted. Make sure system and app updates complete. If expected space hasn't appeared, check for hidden shadow copies, large restore snapshots, or malware with a reliable scanner. If problems persist, review logs or ask for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.